Hello, welcome back to another episode of From Korea with Fusion. My name is James.
And I'm Irene.
And today we're making something cozy and delicious and comforting.
I feel like it's perfect because it's just starting to get cold.
Yeah.
What do we got today?
We have this lovely kimchi udon, and udon is one of my favorite noodles, and I especially love it because the kimchi adds a spicy kick to it.
Ooh, and we're gonna beef it up with some fish cake. Fish cakes is such like a perfect anju for me. I love it with like a sip of broth, with like a shot of soju, and I feel like together it's the perfect combination. Let's go.
Jamesy, you can't move, right?
Yeah. Okay, that was weird.
Okay, so let's start cooking. So inside the package, we have 2 udon noodles, 2 katsuobushi base sauce. So this is gonna turn water into delicious broth. And we have 2 package of sliced Napa cabbage from Jongga, which is a sister brand of OFood. And this is one of the most delicious kimchi brands. So that's gonna make the broth spicy and even, adds all the flavors.
You will make this.
Yeah,
and
so
I
what-
should cut some onions.
Yes, please. So we're gonna add 800 milliliters of water. Once the water boils, you just add noodles, sauce, and kimchi and let it simmer for 2 minutes and your kimchi udon is ready. Okay, the water is finally boiling.
Yay!
And let's add the sauce. Great. Add onions, fish cakes. So the noodles are kind of parboiled, so that's why you only need to cook it for like 2 minutes.
Yeah, these cook so
Yeah.
fast.
So basically you're just letting the udon noodles loosen up in the broth. And the kimchi really adds the spice, so you get all that spicy.
Oh, it smells perfect. It's like a little bit fermented, which I feel like is perfect for cooking with.
Ooh, lots
Yeah.
of kimchi.
It's kind of a little bit 묵은지.
Ooh, that's gonna make the broth taste even
So
better.
good.
Okay, so they're looking already gorgeous.
I'm gonna slide in these fish cakes, which I put on a skewer. I feel like this is like really giving us the vibe.
Yeah.
You know, like sitting on like the Korean streets, like in like a pojangmatcha, having our little like bottle of soju, and our little broth hanging over.
Wow, I think
Great.
they're
I think
ready.
we're ready.
And
So-
should we top it with your gorgeous scallions? Wow. And just like that, we made our delicious, comforting, bubbling kimchi udon with fish cakes.
Ooh, that was so fast.
So fast.
Happened in like the blink of an eye.
And it looks like what you're gonna get served in a restaurant.
It just smells amazing. I feel like that like warm, cozy broth. It smells so good.
I just feel like it's bringing all of our happy memories together in Korea.
Let's go.
So let's start slurping.
Oh.
Whoa. Oh. She's good.
The kimchi adds such like a nice like bright flavor, but also like that like deep richness from the nice like fermented kimchi.
Also, the kimchi tastes like cooked kimchi from kimchi jjigae. So it has all that umami, like rich flavors of cooked kimchi, which goes so well with the broth. Oh, have you noticed there's so many different shapes of fish cake?
Yeah, there's this like wide flat one, and then ooh, there's this like 2B one. And then I feel like I noticed that there was like a heart-shaped one in there. Oh my god, look!
Okay.
Jan! It's really like plump and delicious.
Very plump and very flavorful, and it just has like a really nice chew.
All right, I'm gonna go in for the noodles finally.
Yeah.
They've been waiting.
Wow. Honestly, no notes.
Yeah.
No notes.
Honestly, I feel like this took less time than to make instant ramen, and it is so much more.
So much more. And also, like, this is a really great canvas to add other stuff. So you can add radish,
Vegetables.
you can
cabbage.
You can add like whisked eggs. You know, there are just so many different ways for you to enjoy. But you don't need to add anything but these package for you to enjoy this incredible flavor of udon noodles. Okay, well, I'm gonna take this out. And we're gonna go
We're gonna go do that.
drink. Okay, bye!